Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create images using Meta AI? You can generate images from text in just a few simple steps. This is a powerful feature that lets you turn your ideas into visuals instantly. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. On the home screen, tap Create an Image. You will see several example options you can choose from. Or you can use the input box at the bottom that says describe an image or video. Tap the input box and type what you want to create. Be as clear as possible for better results. Then send your prompt. Meta AI will process your request and generate an image. Wait a few moments until the result appears. Once ready, you can view the image and may have options to save or share it. This makes it easy to create unique and creative visuals using AI. And that's how to create images in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.